Hello friends! Let's recreate Pinterest-inspired makeup. After applying toner and moisturizer, now I'm applying sunscreen. Evenly spread the cream on your face. Now cover the dark spots with the help of orange color corrector. Now I'm applying only on my dark spots. Applying on my tiny dark circles. Now I'm applying lightest shade of concealer. After that, I'm applying nude pink shade. Now I'm ready. Applying the concealer to create the exact eye makeup. Applying green shade, evenly blending the eyeshadow. Now I'm adding some green color glitter. Now adding some silver color glitter. I am done with my eyeliner and false lashes. Now jump to the face makeup. I am applying L'Oreal Paris Matte Foundation.
Blend, blend, blend.
Quick to do other side. Let's contour the nose. First make the shape and then blending evenly. Now I'm highlighting my features with the help of concealer. Patiently I'm blending my concealer. You can take your own time. Now I'm applying pink powder blush on my nose. And applying the same blush on my cheeks, just under the eye area. Don't forget to apply on chin area. Now applying green eyeshadow under the eye bag area. Making fake eye bag. Now applying green glitter and copper color glitter quickly. Placing rhinestone on my face just like shown in the picture. Now I'm applying silver color highlighter. For lipstick, I'm creating ombre lips. Makeup is done now, wait for the final look. I hope you like my tiny video. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, love you all. See you in my next video.